shark in the park on a windy day.
Windy day.
Windy day. Hey, what is this?
Shark.
It's a shark. Okay. It's a wild, windy day, and a certain small boy is out with his dad and his favorite toy. What is this? It's his telescope. This is his favorite toy. Timothy Pope tries looking through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf. The wind blows his hair. He's blown this way and that way. But Tim doesn't care, because this is what he sees. Tim knows that shape and he knows what to do. He shouts, "Shark in the park!" Can you shout that out too? I think you just did. Oh, it isn't a shark that Timothy sees. It's a big black umbrella caught up in the breeze. Eek! Timothy Pope looks again through his telescope. The wind blows his scarves, the wind blows his hair. He's blown this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care, because this is what he sees. Oh dear me, Tim's got no choice. He shouts, "Shark in the park!" at the top of his voice. Okay, let's see. Oh, what a relief. It isn't a shark. It's a big friendly dog with a big friendly bark. The dog barks, "Woof!" Timothy Pope has one last look through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf, the wind blows his hair. He's blown this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care, because this is what he sees. Tim does what he knows that he must. He shouts, "Shark in the park!" till he's fit to bust. It isn't a shark that Timothy spied. It's a runaway pram with a baby inside. Help! And it's heading for the pond. It's a stroller. It's a pram. But Tim's dad runs fast. He grabs hold of the pram. The mother says, "Thank you, how grateful I am." "Really," says Tim's dad, "you ought to thank Tim. He spotted your pram, so it's all down to him." Whew. Okay, that was exciting, says Tim. By the way, it's a good job there weren't any shark here today. And the duck says, do you know? Quack, quack. The end.